Hey, what's up YouTube? Tony here with another video. All good things must come to an end. This will be bots number 20 of Benchwarmer Eclectic. So, wish me luck guys. Hopefully we get some good stuff in this final bots of Eclectic. It's been a fun break. We got in some really nice ones in the last bots. In bots 19 we got the Brandy Grace Kiss card, which came in a sleeve. I already put it in a one touch. Alright, let's hope we can get the, look at this, box is falling apart. Hopefully we can get the Shelby Chestnut swatch. That'll be awesome. Alright, wish me for some last bots mojo. Here we go. So, here's the last bots. Our final bots topper is the Iki Twins. There it is, the Iki Twins. And our last pack, we got just one. Oh, look, we got something new. Right, so one signature pack. Alright, wish me luck, guys. Go ahead and open it up. Let's put the Iki Twins right here. And here is the final pack. Carmen Electra card in every pack. And our final swatch. Alright, Carmen Electra. And there's the back. We got Jessica Kinney. Here's the back to that. We got Sandra Taylor. And her Daisy Dukes. We got Hiromi Oshima. We got Jessica Rockwell. She rocks very well. We got Cassie Cardell. Very nice Valentine's card. Cassie Cardell. We got an Easter card of Kirsty Lingman. Then we have promo card of Ryan Shamrock, Racer Girl, from the 2000 Long Beach Grand Prix 2013. There's the back. Got another promo card of Nikki Ziering. I don't have this one, so pretty cool. There's the promo card, Nikki Ziering. Very nice. 3 pictures. Very cool. Then we got a Schoolgirls of Janet Leyu. She was a Hooters International. Mrs. Hooters International. Booyah. Nice little back. I forgot what year. Very nice. Then we got our last swatch and Lisa Gleave. Very nice Lisa Gleave. I think it's this way. Our last girl is Casey Durkin. And let's take a look, see what Casey's wearing. She's wearing pink. Ooh. Hopefully it's a nice swatch. Let's see. Oh, it's just a pink swatch. So Casey Durkin with just a regular swatch. And booyah. Big time. Very nice. And there's the back to the Lisa Gleave. Alright, so stick around for the recap of the 60 packs. Alright. And we'll see you in a bit. Alright, thank you guys.